Good day everyone. So for today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-create ng Pag-ibig virtual account. So first of all, punta tayo sa Chrome, Fund Services. And then lalabas yung unang Pag-ibig online services na website. So click natin yan. And then after that, mapupunta tayo dito sa homepage ng Pag-ibig Fund. Now, to create a virtual account, click this for members, and then after that, click data privacy check, and then proceed. Kung makikita nyo, meron dito na create account. So, click natin yung create account, tapos continue. And then, we have here options in creating your virtual Pag-ibig account. First, via your loyalty card plus. If you have your loyalty card plus, click here. If you don't have, create and active your account online, click here. And if you are OFW, you also have the option. Now, in this tutorial, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay what if wala pa kayong loyalty card plus and hindi rin kayo OFW. So, ang kiklik natin itong create and activate your account online. Click here. And then, kailangan paki-ready na yung Pag-ibig MID number. Dapat ito ay 12 digits. Nag-start sa number 1. And then, yung active mobile number. And then, active email address. Dahil dito isa-send yung temporary password once approved na. And then, also, yung photo ng identification cards. So, kapag wala kang passport, kailangan mo mag-prepare ng 2 government IDs or company ID. Pero kapag may passport ka, you only need 1 ID. And then after that, click next. You make sure that you also have your selfie photo while holding the valid ID that you have. And then after that, click next. Now, you are now ready to create your virtual Pag-ibig account. Then click proceed. By the way, in this portion, i-cover ko lang, pero kailangan nyo i-fill up yung Pag-ibig MID number. Pakilagay. Pakilagay rin ang iyong last name, your first name, and then your middle name. And then your date of birth, pakilagay yung date, and then yung month, and then yung year. After nun, ilagay mo yung active mobile number mo. And then after that, click proceed. And then you will be receiving a one-time PIN in your active mobile number. So make sure that your mobile number is active. Once you already enter the virtual Pag-ibig online account creation, you're going to type here your email address, then confirm it, and then 3 security question just in case makalimutan mo yung password. Merong option naman dyan, and then you're going to provide the answer. After that, verification, place of birth. If born outside the Philippines, click nyo yung box. Pero if hindi naman outside of the Philippines, no need. Just simply select the region, the province, and the city, and the municipality. And then after that, write the last name, first name, middle name of your mother's name. Now, once makomplete mo na yan, ang susunod na gagawin mo is to upload the photo of your valid ID. Again, here, if passport yung ipapasa mo, you just need to upload the passport file. Make sure that your picture is in JPEG or in PNG. Now, if you don't have passport, just click other IDs. Then you're going to choose 2 valid IDs there. And then, you need to upload the file. After that, you also need to upload selfie holding and showing your valid ID. And then, once na-upload mo na yon, i-click mo lang yung I certify and then submit. Kapag na-submit mo na, ang lalabas doon is congratulations, and then you already created your virtual pag-ibig account. However, hindi pa yun agad na magkakaroon ka ng account. You need to wait for the approval sa iyong email. May marireceive kang email, pero in my case, may na-receive muna ako na text. And then, saying na ganito text, you have successfully created your virtual pag-ibig account. We will notify you via another text message once your account has been activated. After that, may marireceive rin tayo sa email na temporary password na gagamitin natin for login details for our virtual pag-ibig account. So, ganun lang. Kindly wait lang. Sometimes it will take 1 day, 1 week, depende. Kapag hindi nyo pa rin makita sa email nyo, kindly check the spam, baka nandoon. So that will be all for today.